Hey, how are you? John from Dowie Farm here, doing a microgreen spin on washing greens. And I'm washing my sunflower greens right now in addition to de-hulling. But so I got my de-hull step, now I got my wash step because that's the easiest way to do these things, trust me. And I've got these greens nice and washed in cool water, probably 50-ish degree water, all right? And the reason we wash our greens here is because we like the shelf life difference we get out of washed greens, all right? A lot of places don't wash their greens, and I really think that's the difference between us and them, and that's why we win in our competition with them, is our washed greens, not only are they cleaner, and you can advertise that they're washed, but you can also get more shelf life out of a washed microgreen. And you can also take that crop heat off your greens much faster. Anyway, join us at patreon.com/microgreens if you want to learn more about how we do our microgreens and our whole process and how we're successful. Thanks.